What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Chris Restorations. This is my start of my YouTube channel. We're gonna do a whole bunch of painting, do a whole bunch of customizations, restorations, and stuff in that nature. Just restoring your shoes, helping y'all out, learn how to do it. With that being said, I want to show y'all my little setup I have right now. This is my painting setup. I got my brushes up here. Got my little knives and stuff. It's actual knives and stuff. I got stencils. I be doing stencils, like put my little Nike signs on it and stuff. I actually did a Bugs Bunny thing too one time. Okay, this my little paint setup. I gotta buy my Angelus paint. A lot of it ain't came in yet. This is a little bit I got so far. So little simple stuff. Got my Reshoevn-Nator brushes. Got the Reshoevn-Nator right here. That's the best stuff you can use right here. Just stuff you spray in the shoe. This is my air brushes. I don't know how well y'all can see this. Let me take it out. This my little airbrush right here. Got my tape and stuff. Got my airbrush machine. That's my cord. This my little thing I use to rotate my shoes. And this is what I'm using on today's video. Today we will be fixing these Laser 4s right here because they have some chip problems on them. As y'all can see right here, it kind of bad chipping on them and stuff. So this is the today's video, how to fix chip. I'll give y'all step-by-step instructions on how to do it. Okay, first of all, we're gonna need some of this. Gonna need my X-Acto knife. Oh, top came off. Gonna need my X-Acto knife. Gonna need my tape. Gonna need my white paint. And some finisher. And I think that's about it. And the airbrush machine, of course. Or a paintbrush, you ain't gotta use the airbrush machine. But okay, I'll get back to y'all in a minute. The first step in this whole process is making sure your shoe clean. If you do not make sure your shoe clean, then all this paint that you finna put on here just gonna chip straight on off. I forgot to tell y'all, this is the most important step. You're supposed to have the alcohol to strip this paint off and have a flat surface to put the new paint on. Okay, so this all I did right here was get some of this Reshoevn-Nator and put up in this little bowl right here using my brushes. Okay. And all we're gonna do is just clean these soles. The next step is to apply the tape around this, because we don't want to take this off and get ready to take off all this white. We are now ready to take out the paint. Do what you do. Just get your little alcohol. You ain't gotta put that much on there. Get you any kind of towel. And just do like it. Take all this all the soles so we can get rid of the paint. And we gotta do the bubble too. Alright, this is what everything looked like before we start paint. I didn't take all the paint off because there was no need. I just like made it more flat and smooth around so that the paint will go on smooth. It won't have no bumps in it. Alright, so you wanna get your the Angelus paint, just white. Then you wanna get some of this finisher. Just up in the want to thank y'all for watching my video. Please subscribe and there'll be more content.